Subscribe, cute baby. Don't forget to like the video.
God made my head and He filled it up with thoughts. To dream, to learn, to love, I've got lots. He gave me eyes to see and a mind that's bright and free. God made my head and He loves me. God made my shoulders strong to lift and share, to hug my friends and show I care. When I stand up tall and true, I know just what to do. God made my shoulders, yes, He made yours too. God made my hands to clap and wave hello, to help, to build and let His kindness show. When I give and when I pray, He's guiding me each day. God made my hands in His special way. God gave me a heart that beats with love. It's filled with joy that comes from up above. I can share and I can care. God's love is always there. He made my heart and it's beyond compare. God made my feet so I can jump and run, to dance, to play, to praise Him in the sun. Wherever I may go, His love will help me grow. God made my feet from head to toe. God made shoulders strong to lift and share, to hug my friends and show I care. When I stand up tall and true, I know just what to do. God made my shoulders, yes, He made yours too. From my head down to my toes, God's love in me just shows. He made me special, yes, it's true. And He made someone special, you too.